roofs are more than just a pretty trend throughout coastal communities, and Gulf Coast Supply is here to tell you why. Proudly serving southeastern United States, Gulf Coast's state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques, coupled with superior coatings, make these roofs energy efficient and sustainable. Top-notch materials like this also make Gulf Coast's roofs an economical choice because investing in a high-quality product up front ensures longevity for the future. Most importantly, Gulf Coast Supply's roofs outperform other roof types when caught in the path of nature's fury. So it only makes sense to go with the very best. Gulf Coast Supply. To learn more about metal roofs and what Gulf Coast Supply can do for you, call or click today.